Hello, fellow travelers!
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is Dream Traveling Tour. We are currently staying at the Riu Palace Costa Mujeres.
Yes.
And we just got our room, so we're going to show you around after this. $1173 is the room number we have, which is located on the ground floor. And in order to get in, you simply need to hold your room key in front of the sensor, and then you have access. There we go. Placing your room key right here next to the door enables you to have access to all the lights. This is what you see right as you come into the room. So one of the most notable things as you enter the room is of course this apparently loosely placed tub right in the middle.
I also want to mention this is not a jetted tub. This is a soaking tub.
Yeah, you just get in here to get wet basically.
Yeah.
So as we also have seen at the Riu Palace Peninsula, as well as at the Riu Palace Bávaro, the former in Mexico, the latter in the Dominican Republic, the bathroom is not separated from the rest of the room. So the tub is right here, and right next to it you have your double sinks.
Honey, I can't find the toilet. I didn't see it.
Alright, Kimberly had trouble finding the toilet, not realizing that on to the right of the door there was another area. You found the toilet, all right.
This does have a rain shower.
It does have a rain shower, okay. You mind if I film that, Kimberly?
No, you should.
Oh yeah, it does. Nice.
What I was trying to figure out is if it goes up.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out too. I do see a little bit of what appears to be a lever of sorts, so let's try that out. No, this is truly as high as the rain shower gets, which is bad news for the taller travelers among us.
Yeah, this will be great for me, not so good for Neil.
I fit, but barely. Alright, so going a little bit further into the room, first thing we have here on this side is a closet, which has ample hangers here.
Beautiful.
And down here is your safe for any valuables and other important belongings. Yeah, looks like this comes with ropes and some ironing equipment. Oh, the mini bar. Now, Kimberly, the big question is, has the liquor returned to the liquor cabinet which Riu is famous for above the mini bar? Has it?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think you do. Let's have a look. It's there! It's there! The liquor is back! It's there! Look at that! It is completely stocked. There is Bacardi, there is Smirnoff, there is Jose Cuervo, and there is... oh, what's that? Beef feather.
Beef eater.
Beef eater. There you go.
Beef eater.
Beef eater? Okay. Yeah, it's kind of hard reading it upside down, but we managed, I suppose. So, other than a stocked liquor cabinet, there is a coffee maker right here, and down below is your fridge. Oh, I had the wrong side of the fridge. There we go. So, fridge is nicely stocked with some customary sodas and beers. Dos Equis is the house brand here as far as beers are concerned. We noticed that earlier in the one lounge that we had beers at. So some water as well, some soda. Yeah. And over here, right next to the minibar, this is where you can adjust the temperature for your airco. Now, underneath it, there is a little warning posted. If you want your airco to remain on, be sure that the door to your balcony is closed. So then there is the bed, and we are being welcomed by this nice little towel animal right here. Now, next to the bed, you will find on both sides a reading light and an outlet, as well as a USB port. Remote control for your television right over here.
TV.
Yep. Then there is a bunch of drawers over here. Here we go. There is what is going to be my workstation, table and a couple of chairs. Some Riu art. Just like over on this side. Nice little couch. Little coffee table. There is a phone here with some instructions of what to dial whenever you need something. Well, Kimberly, then there is only one more thing left we should show in here.
Well, I do want to mention a few things.
Okay.
Okay, if you've been to other Riu properties and you're very familiar with the bright purple, this is a whole different color palette and a whole different design of the room. It is more modern and it has cleaner lines, I would say, and it's aesthetically a very pretty room, but it's probably a little different than what you've seen. This is a newer Riu hotel. I do believe it opened within the last 2 years. Now, this is a whole brand new area that they are developing here. So, and this is the most recent hotel that has been built. So if you're interested in this area, it might be an option for you. There's also some other resorts too. There is, by here, there's a gated community as well that has resorts in it. So, and next we're going to show you what is out there. Now, this particular Riu does not have the jacuzzis or anything on the balcony. You have just a regular balcony.
All right, this is where you open the door.
Okay. If I can.
Oh, yes, the challenge. The challenge of opening the balcony door.
It does slide nicely.
That's good. And so this is the view you have from this room.
Yeah.
I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, actually you can. If you look over to the right, there is a little stretch of ocean that you can see out in the distance.
Yeah.
I don't think this view is too terrible though.
No.
And actually on the left hand side you can see some ocean too. If you look very carefully. But yeah, this balcony, it does come with a couple of chairs and a small table and a drying rack indeed to hang up your clothes if you went swimming.
I do want to mention that this room is very clean. It is, very nicely done. Everything looks good as far as cleanliness and well put together. So I think it's a pretty nice room.
Thank you so much for watching this room tour of the Riu Palace Costa Mujeres.
Yes.
If you enjoyed this travel vlog of ours, be sure to give it a good old
Thumbs up.
And if you are not yet a fellow traveler of our channel, also please be sure to
Subscribe.
That's right.
Totally free, and it helps the channel out a lot.
Exactly. Now, if you do have any questions regarding this all-inclusive resort, please feel free to leave a comment, leave a question in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to get back to you about that. Until next time, this is Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.